In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the thank you message on Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is an excellent tool for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. It's straightforward to use, but also packs many features that allow for customization, including the ability to personalize the thank you message your respondents see after submitting their responses. This small but significant touch can make the experience more engaging for your audience. Let's dive into how you can change this message step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. It's where all the magic starts. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will take you to the sign in page, where you need to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Microsoft account to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click on the Next button to proceed. It will prompt you for your password. Enter your password carefully, ensuring it's correct to avoid unnecessary retries that could lock you out of your account temporarily. Now, once you've signed in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Forms dashboard. This dashboard is where all your created forms and quizzes reside. Browse through your list of forms and select the one you wish to edit. Clicking on a form will open it, allowing you to edit various aspects, including questions, settings, and the thank you message. On the form editing page, look for the Settings button. It's typically represented by a gear icon. This button will direct you to various settings related to your form, including options for responses, notifications, and more. Our focus, however, is on customizing the thank you message, which is an essential part of the respondent's experience. Within the settings menu, find the option labeled Customize Thank You Message. This option opens up a text box where you can input the message you want to display to respondents after they have submitted their answers. It's your opportunity to thank them genuinely, provide further instructions, or even link them to more of your content or services. This message can be a powerful touch point with your audience, so think about what you want to convey carefully. Once you've entered your desired thank you message, make sure to save your changes. It's a simple step, but crucial. Saving ensures that the next time someone completes your form, they'll see your personalized message, enhancing their overall experience. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully customized the thank you message on your Microsoft form. This tweak makes your form feel more personal and can leave a lasting impression on your respondents. Remember, the thank you message is a great place to express gratitude, offer additional resources, or even direct traffic to your website or social media channels, so make the most out of it. This detailed walkthrough should have made the process clear and straightforward for you. If you followed along with us, your Microsoft Forms respondents would now be greeted with a custom thank you message that adds an extra touch of engagement to your form. Thank you for taking the time to learn with us today. Keep exploring Microsoft Forms and its many features to make the most out of your surveys, quizzes, and polls.